How are you guys going, guys? Today's mukbang is ham hock. Ham hock, leg of ham hock, and potato, boiled potato, boiled eggs, and my drink is lychee cordial. So cheers, guys. Today, guys, I want to try this sauce out. It's Mexico spicy jalapeno. It's a taco sauce. But hey, it doesn't mean it's taco. I've got to eat it with taco. No, I can eat it with Hock. Okay. Anyway, it's just a try out. It doesn't mean I don't know. And I'm honestly telling you, I've never tried it before. I'm looking for my fork and it's playing hide and go seek. Better watch it, fork. Better watch it. Hey guys. Anyway, let me put this on top of my. You know what, guys? I'm filming in the garage, right? So there'll be cars driving past. Okay. Now these my hands, guys. Hands. Why was it orca? The head is hot. No, I don't think I can. Oh my god. Oh. It's like blowing my mind. Anyway, let us go for all the non-pork eating people. Don't look. Here, have a bite for those who don't mind it. Got me my potato. I brought it nice and slow, And I took some celery sticks and boiled it together. Back to your bed. I try to half cook the eggs, but I think sitting there for a while, it started getting on the other side. Not half cooked anymore. Hey, get over there. Oh, I'm too scared. Listen, I'll try. Okay. It's hot. I didn't think it was hot. I'm gonna say spicy. But you think they'll be lenient on people that don't know how to eat spicy food. Oh, that is me. What? I've been wanting to do this Hock mukbang, right? Lovely. What have you guys got to eat? And how have you been? That's so good. Thinking, it's much over here. It's over there. Nice, guys. so lovely. So lovely. On the outside bits, it's a bit on the chewy side. So I won't waste my time. It's lovely. You guys gotta get you guys a Hock, Ham Hock, and slowly boil it for 2 hours. And it comes out like this. Yeah. Even. So, comment down below, tell me what you're eating right now, or what you're doing right now as you're watching this. And let me know. This is like the bacon bones, yeah? Bacon bones, ham bones, for the boiler. The celery. Look at that, look at that. This bone, it's like a caveman bone. Me, one woman, name. I don't know how I said that, because I remember the cartoons when you watch this caveman. When you look at a cartoon and a caveman, sometimes you see them like pick up a woman and carry them off. Hello, were you carrying her off there? Nice lychee cordial. Oh, my husband got it right, You know what? I want to say thank you to Easter. Easter, she shares my videos, she shares my Facebook posts. Anyway guys, this girl, she shares quite a lot of people's stuff, and it really shows me, you know, that she's been supportive. So, thank you very much, Easter. Okay, okay guys, listen. I'm gonna be a little hero. Alright, listen, I don't want to be carried off to the hospital, okay? Oh, I don't want the fire brigade, right, to be called to come and hose me, because I'm on fire. Hang on. Oh, it's hot. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, look at it. It's mangled, this poor bone, mangled. Because there's some dry bits on the outside. I think that's where it's been like smoked and yeah. I'll try it again. The potato. It's like when I take a bite of potato, it sort of calms it down. Hello, testing, testing. Now, I'm left with these little bits and pieces. Oh, look at this. Reminds me of the Vids. This is a Vids. Little bits to trotters. Better this one. Guys, I see people eat the skin. No. Enough for me, thank you very much. Oh, look at that. The jelly wobbly part. Yes. Right? No. Oh. Messy. I love this jelly part. You know what? I'm gonna put some more meat. Warm up. Guess what, guys? Do some chowders, okay? So I'm gonna put this away. Then I'm gonna do some chowder. I'm gonna go wash my hands because I need it. We'll be back. So guys, thank you so much for just hanging around, you know, when I do my mukbang. Thank you very much. Previous to this one, I done the sausage and rice cucumber one, and so I've shouted some people out on that one. So, you know, I forgot to mark it off. Now, I don't know much names because I've been busy. You know, I've been busy, guys. Just trying to get back into the swing of things after being out. Doggies, stop it! Anyway, so after being in Cook Island, coming back and getting my mum back, you know, settling her down, because when I brought her over from my sister's house, she just could not stop going on about her suitcase, you know, because she thought my sister had it, but no, it was already brought back, and I washed all her clothes, hung it up, folded it up, put it away. She still thought her bag was over my sister's. So I knew it would take a couple of days for her to settle down. Now she's settled down, she's back to my mama. It's crazy how one little thing can just trigger a mind of a, you know, a dementia person. And it's sad to see it, but you know, that's the process of what she's going through. But anyway, guys, let me shout out the first name. It's Tewira Terepai. Hello to you. Thank you very much for commenting on my Cook Island videos. Thank you. And then the next one is DJ Fly Guy New Zealand. Check his channel out, guys. Obviously he's a DJ and he's got a channel. Okay, and thank you very much for commenting anyway, DJ. Thank you very much. DJ Fly Guy, New Zealand. Yeah. Yeah, and then there's Matara. Thank you very much, Mata. I appreciate you, you know, commenting and watching my channel. I appreciate that. I appreciate all of you guys. And then there's Andrew Boasa or Boza. It's Boasa. Oh, well, I think it's Boasa. Boasa. Boza. Andrew. Okay, Andrew? Hey, I'll spell it down there. Then you know you're talking, or I'm talking about. Okay. And then there's a ASMR person, Ni ASMR. So check her channel out, guys, please. And Young and Old Soul, thank you so much. Anyway, someone had said something, and I noticed that she stuck it for me, or he stuck it for me. I think it's a she. I don't know. I can't see the face to it. But listen, guys, if anyone's gonna leave a comment, you know, like a comment that may seem like it's negative, it's alright, guys. I will just sort it out. Like, I will reply back the way I feel. Like, I know sometimes it does, you know, like be disturbing to me, but it's okay. You know what, guys? Maybe they just said it out of being like to be mean. I want to swear words. But maybe someone's just, you know, like joking around and, you know, stuff like that. It's alright, it's alright. All I can do is try and sing that song, you know, Frozen. Yeah, but I appreciate it. I appreciate that you guys come to my defense. I really, really do. But what we try to do is, like, you know, just be positive, you know, on our thing. It's not that you were trying to be negative, you know. I've seen you guys come to my defense on other people, you know, like there was one time I comment on Siosia Victoria. Someone said something, okay, and about 3 people come to my defense that, you know, that watches my channel, and I thought, ah, special. But anyway, I don't know. I don't want that poor Victoria Siosia Victoria. Hey, why am you? What? Hey, it's not my fault. Victoria, not my fault. It's that person. I don't know. It was several months back. But anyway, you know what? All you have to do is take it for what it is, and then, yeah, let me know. I'll come and deal with it. Fussy or nah. Yeah, I say fussy. I want sarmianga. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. You guys come to my defense like your family. You are my YouTube family, Polytube family. Anyway, guys, I'm so sorry if I didn't shout you out, because I didn't write down your name, guys. It's not that I don't care. No, it's just that I've been busy. When I brought my mama back from my sister's house after Cook Island, she was unsettled. She was very, very unsettled. She just wouldn't settle down. She kept picking up her handbag, going in and out of the house, going in and out of her room, like, because her and I, we share the sunroom. I stay in the sunroom for the purpose of taking care of her, you know, because I normally stay inside the house, and her room was the sunroom, but I had to move out to look after her in case. And, you know, I take care of her showers, I take care of her food. She doesn't cook. She wouldn't even know how to cook these days, you know. And having a shower before, I didn't know that my poor mum was like, you know, like so forgetful that she would go into the shower and come out already dressed. And I got, did you have a shower? She goes, yes. But I didn't know the poor mum of mine. She was either turning on cold water and then trying to hack that, or she would just turn on the hot water, and she can't, you know. So one day I was just thinking, why is it that she just goes in there and come out? Because I didn't know how far in her mind she had gotten, you know, with her dementia. And then I was trying to figure it out, like, why is she would just go in there, come out, go in there, come out. So I thought, I'm gonna, you know, because she doesn't lock the door. So one time when she went in there, I allowed her, you know, couple of minutes for her to be undressed, and I knocked on the door and then I entered. When I entered, she had just stepped into the shower, and I tell you what, there was boiling hot water coming out, and she was trying to tiptoe. Oh, my poor mum. That's how I found out that she wasn't, you know, she just wasn't herself anymore. And ever since then, I started, you know, making sure I turn on the water to nice warm water for her, getting her clothes ready, leaving it. Oh, she's got this other thing now. If I don't, you know, keep an eye on it, she'll come back out wearing the same clothes. This was before, but now I'm on to that, you know, like I make sure when I put her clothes there, right in the vision of when she steps out, she sees her clothes and then she dries herself off and comes out all looking nice, looking beautiful. But anyway, that's the process I'm going through with my mum. Eventually, it's going to get worse. The main thing, I'll try my very, very best. I'll try my very, very best. Wow. Just, you know, it just makes me think, those poor people that's lost their parents or their aunties and stuff like that through dementia, because my mum is physically healthy, but the mind is going to take her away. And that's very, very sad just to think about it, you know. But I'm being strong, guys. I'm getting so used to it, you know. But anyway, thank you guys for always saying nice things about my mom in the comments. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Because I love that I have her in my channel sometimes, because when she's no longer around, these are things that I can look back on, my siblings can look back on, and my kids can look back on, and my nieces and nephews can look back on. You know, it's sad, but I don't know. We can never question God, you know, about this kind of things. It's just the way it is. That's all I can say. Anyway, God is number one. God is first, you know. So anyway, thank you guys. I better go. Blah 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 blah. Hey, hello. Do you come here often? No, I don't come here often. Oh, it's like that, eh? Turn around when I'm talking to you. No, I don't want you because you turned around. Look at me. I wish I was a puppeteer. You know, it's incredible. Hey, pass for. Thank you, everyone. Love and leave you. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Yeah, all right. Yeah, don't say bye. Yeah, say bye, Cinderella. Wait, yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, fast way forward, boys and girls. We meet again. Bye, guys.